Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Hulu account on Roku TV, simple steps step by step clearly. To activate your Hulu account on Roku TV, first, make sure you have your Roku device set up and connected to the internet. Begin by turning on your Roku TV and navigating to the home screen. From the home screen, scroll down to the Streaming Channels option and select it. In the Streaming Channels section, go to the Search Channels option. Type Hulu in the search bar and select the Hulu app from the results. Once you find the Hulu app, select the Add Channel option to download it. After the download is complete, go back to the home screen and locate the Hulu app in your list of channels. Open the Hulu app by selecting it. If you already have a Hulu account, choose the option to log in. Take note of the activation code displayed on your screen. Now, using a computer or smartphone, open a web browser and go to hulu.com/activate. Sign in to your Hulu account or create one if you haven't already. Enter the activation code from your Roku TV into the provided field. Once you've entered the code, click on the Activate button. After a few moments, your Roku TV will automatically refresh and log you into your Hulu account. You can now start browsing and enjoy your favorite shows and movies on Hulu. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.